How to turn off Paramount Plus subtitles. Now this is very easy and straightforward. All you have to do is to access your Paramount Plus subscription, which either is going to be through your phone or from your smart TV. Now for you to turn it off, after accessing Paramount Plus through the web or either through a computer or mobile web browser, all you have to do while the video is currently playing is to hit on an option that says subtitles or CC, which is going to be means as a closed caption. Now, if you were around the settings from the Paramount Plus itself on its software or application, you won't be able to find that option. So again, to turn it off, so while playing a video, all you have to do is to hit or to select subtitles from the menu of your current movie that you're watching, and you only have two options, either to turn it on or turn it off. And that's it. That's how you turn off Paramount Plus subtitles.